Hey everyone, what we are going to do today is laboratory number 6, which is port security. So b- before before we start here configuring switches, let's say a quick introduction first on what is port security. So port security is layer 2 security feature available on Cisco switches that allows you to control and limit access to a physical port based on MAC addresses. So it's primarily used to prevent unauthorized devices from connecting the network and helps in protecting the network from MAC flooding and other attacks. And bakit nga ba ito importante? So, without port security, anyone can plug in a device to an open Ethernet port and gain network access. This is a security risk, especially in environments like schools and universities. So, port security helps and ensure only trusted devices can connect to the network. So let's get started on configuring the chest. Then on step 1, from the CLI of switch 1, find the MAC addresses of switch 2. So we need to find the MAC address of switch 2. Table, show MAC address table. Now, here is the MAC address of the switch 2. And let's now take a look on the from the CLI of switch 2, find the MAC address of switch 1. So let's find the MAC address of the switch 1. Same address table. So here's the MAC address of switch 1. Now, in step number 2, why don't the MAC addresses of PC1 and PC2 appears in the MAC address of table switch 1 and switch 2? Bakit nga ba? So, because MAC addresses are only learned when the switch sees traffic like a ping or ERP from a device. Until that happens, no entry appears. So walang papakitang MAC address dito kung wala pa siyang nakikitang traffic like ping and ERP. So on step number 3, ping from PC1 to PC2 to generate traffic between them. Check the MAC address tables of the switches again. So we need to ping the uh, PC2 from PC1. Ping 192.168.1.12. Kaya natin to ginagawa para makita natin yung um, MAC address ng PC1 at PC2. So let's ping the PC1. Ping 192.168.1.11. Ayan, ping na natin. Then, let's go back to the switch 1. So, yan, nakita na natin yung MAC address ng PC1 and PC2. So, yung una kanina, ito yung MAC address ng switch 1. Siguro itong bus Ethernet 1, ito yung PC1. Then, ito din yung PC2. Tignan din natin dito sa may switch 2. So, yan, nakita din natin yung so, yun nga, ito yung PC2 and PC1. So, let's go to step number 4. Enable port security on the switch interface connected to PCs. So let's go on. Enable port security on the switch interface connected to PCs. So connecting the interface of connectivity and switch port on on access switch port security. So yan, enable na natin ang switch port security. So let's go on switch 2 and then switch 1. Same commands, connecting mm, interface, plus Ethernet 0 to switch port mode access and switch port security. Then let's go on uh, step number 5. How many MAC addresses are allowed on port security enabled interface by default? Explicit explicitly configure this setting on each switch. So, ano nga ba ang uh, default ng MAC address? So, paano natin matitignan yun? Since nandito naman na tayo sa switch 1 to show port security. So, yeah. So, ito ang default ng um, enable interface ano port security. Yan yung default. Ito yung count. 1, so which So step number 6, what is the default action in event of port security violation? So nakita din natin dito sa may uh, do show port security, ito yung default na port security violation which is shutdown. So kanina lang, balik tayo sa step number 5 para balik tayo sa step number 5. So uh, para pwede tayo din uh, mag-set kung ilang MAC addresses na allowed sa port security interface. So, paano yung magawa? Ito ang gawin natin. Um, switch port, switch port, switch port security, switch port, maximum, oh, oh, mali. Switch for max, port security max, maximum pala, 1. And this all port security. Yan. Ganyan lang mag-set kung ilang limit ng MAC addresses na allowed sa port security. So yeah, we got there. So next is for the
Now on switch 2.
switch 6. Step number 6. What is the default action in the event of port security violation? Explicit configure the settings in each port. So, yun nga, kanina, ito yung pinaka-default ng port security violation, which is shutdown. So, para naman natin, i-configure, iset ang um, sa ibang violation. So,
Switch
so,
port. Now I'll go on.
so each part, violation. So, ito ang mga klase ng mga violation, which is the protect, restrict, and shutdown. So, itong pinaka-default shutdown. So, that's it for the port security part 1.